Hello students and aspirants, in this video I am going to teaching you rule number 8. Rule number 8 is about comparison of similar things. Look at this sentence. Gold is more precious than all non-metals. This sentence is wrong. Why? Because gold, this metal having both non-metal and metal properties. In this sentence, gold is more precious than all non-metal, which means gold is compared with gold. It is wrong. How to rewrite the sentence? Gold is more precious than all other non-metals. All other non-metals, which means gold is compared with other non-metals except gold. Students, to note that comparison should be in similar things. When we compare two things, the property between the two things should be in similar way. Gold is more precious than all metals. This sentence also wrong. This sentence meaning gold is more precious than gold. So how to write this sentence? Gold is more precious than all other metals. Gold is more precious than any other metal. This sentence is correct sentence. Gold is compared with other metal. So this sentence is correct. Gold is more precious than all other metals. Correct. Gold is more precious other metals. Correct. Why here we using the word other, which denotes gold is compared with other metals except gold. Diamond is more precious than all metals. This sentence is correct sentence because diamond is a non-metal. So diamond compared with other metals. So this sentence is correct sentence, which means diamond is compared with other metals. Here to note that diamond is not compared with diamond. Diamond is a non-metal, but diamond is compared with other metal. Okay. Diamond is a non-metal. This compared to all metals. Student, to note that we should not compare gold with gold. It is not correct. As same as we should not compare diamond with diamond. It is non-correct. But we can compare non-metal to metal. Or metal to non-metal. In the next video, we will see next rule. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.